Power BI just got smarter with Copilot. Imagine creating reports, analyzing data, and getting insights, all with AI assistance. Let's dive into the top benefits of Copilot in Power BI. Number 1. Faster report creation. No more manual effort. Copilot automatically generates reports and dashboards from simple natural language prompts, saving you hours of work. Number 2. AI-powered insights. Struggling to spot trends? Copilot identifies patterns, anomalies, and key takeaways instantly, helping you make smarter decisions. Number 3. Natural language queries. No need to learn DAX or SQL. Just ask questions in plain English, and Copilot provides the right visualizations. Effortless data exploration. Number 4. Enhanced data modeling. Copilot suggests relationships, measures, and optimized DAX calculations, ensuring better data organization and report performance. Number 5. Automated data cleaning and preparation. Messy data? No problem. Copilot detects missing values, formatting issues, and suggests Power Query transformations to clean your dataset. Number 6. Personalized recommendations. Want a better-looking dashboard? Copilot suggests the best-fit visuals based on your data and helps improve report design. Number 7. Seamless Microsoft integration. Easily share insights in Excel, PowerPoint, or Teams. Plus, it works with Microsoft Fabric for advanced AI-powered analytics. So why use Copilot in Power BI? 1. Saves time and boosts productivity. 2. Simplifies complex data modeling. 3. Enhances decision-making with AI-driven insights. What's your favorite feature? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips. If you want to learn Power BI from me, just click the link in the description.